One morning, the horizon filled with engines, and the city stopped breathing. Australia could tell itself the war was far away, somewhere across an ocean of headlines. Then the sky arrived in formation, and distance became a lie. What followed was not just an air raid, but a terrifying announcement. The Pacific War had reached the mainland. Japanese aircraft struck Darwin in the largest attack by a foreign power ever mounted against Australia. The scale mattered as much as the bombs. When hundreds of planes appear above a city, the goal is not only destruction, it is shock, and shock travels faster than fire. The targets were strategic. The harbor, ships, fuel stores, airfields, communications, the lifelines that keep forces moving. In war, you do not always need to defeat an army in open battle. Sometimes you choke its supply and make every future decision weaker. Darwin might have seemed like a distant northern outpost, but planners saw it as a door. Whoever threatened that door could pressure routes, bases, and the entire sense of security that held the region together. A single city suddenly became a symbol of vulnerability. The raid exposed how fragile preparedness can be. People who had followed the war through radios now heard it through sirens. Confusion, smoke, and the brutal clarity of daylight turned ordinary streets into a battlefield of survival. The aftermath forced changes in defense priorities and hardened Allied awareness of the Japanese threat. When a city is attacked, concrete breaks, but so does confidence, and rebuilding that confidence can take longer than rebuilding walls. Today, Darwin may conjure images of sun and sea, but that day, the sky delivered a different lesson. War does not respect your map.